The evening spot we come hang out and eat two fish and have a jerk. Come to Black Mama Grill for your best street food. You know, your fish done to order with jerk, you know, bammy, festival, everything. Just come to Black Bamboo. Yeah man them when you out in the female.
Nice and cool and the rubber dub reggae style. Sugar. We hit on the foreign market. The season of the broad buckle.
I would say Black Bamboo located in Bog Walk Church Road. Yeah. Right across from Condensary. And see a 13 in down there. Yeah man. So come to Black Bamboo for your best street food. So if you come from Bog Walk, you don't know where the enter from here so. So right before you reach Condensary, which is down there so you know. If you come from Linted way, you don't know. You have to come from down there so. Yeah. So Black Bamboo located about 3 minutes or so from Bogwalk town. So the power of Black Bamboo for your best street food. That is it.
Take it off.
People want to check out Ellis Transportation, right? For all the needs. If you want to go on a trip, you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date and want somebody to carry on in style, you know, AC, everything, you can contact him. Church trip, you know, you have school kids, got school to and from, everything. So come and show you what's going on. See? Inside clean. So nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have a curtain same way, so you have a privacy. So if you don't want anybody to know what's going on, you can see what's going on. And see the number here to call 329-3949. Yeah, see there? Anything. Safe and reliable. That means nobody now taken away. Right? So, we don't have to jump out like some other services, but not taken away. Very punctual. So, if you say 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. If 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock. And 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Once a boy X time, we'll show up on that time. So, let's check out Ellis Compression Service.
No. No, what I mean. No, what? The fun. No. I poured it on the gun. Yeah, I found it.